Next, I'll show you how to assemble the pedestal base sign holder. The parts that you'll receive are a 3-piece stand, the snap frame sign holder, the base, screw accessories, and a 90 and 45 degree frame attachment. Shown here are 2 of the 3 height arms that come with your kit. To begin, simply remove the attachment screws, gently slide the 2 pieces together, and then replace that same screw back into the holes securely, securing the 2 pieces. Next, we'll attach the base with the screw accessory kit. What we've got here is an Allen wrench, 2 Allen screws, and 2 washers. Take the side that you'll be attaching the base to and balance it on the top of the arms. It'll balance nicely as you can set it on the floor now that it's long enough. We're going to set the washers on the holes that we'll be applying the screws to, and then slip the screws in one at a time. Be sure to hand tighten them at first, then use the Allen wrench to go ahead and snug them down. Whichever screw you've tightened first, you'll make sure that you don't over tighten so that you can go back and tighten it last. This ensures a tight fit. Now we'll go ahead and turn the frame on its base so it's sitting upright. This is where we decide which attachment we'd like to use, the 90 or the 45 degree plate. Here I'm attaching the 90 degree plate. As you see here, I'm finger tightening the 2 screws before I go in with my screwdriver and finish it off. Next, we'll put on the snap frame. The snap frame simply slides into the hole in the mounting plate, and we'll take the provided wing nut and turn it. But at this moment, we're not going to tighten it down completely. Next, we're going to set the orientation of our snap frame as we can have it vertical or horizontal. Once we've decided the orientation of our snap frame, we will finger tighten the wing nut so it doesn't come loose. That's perfect. If you've decided to use the 45 degree plate, that's not a problem. The installation is still the same. Here's your screw, slide it through the hole, tighten the wing nut, set your orientation, and done. We hope this quick video helped with any installation issues you may have. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us.